Welcome back to another YouTube video here with Soca Rayos.
We out here.
So we put it to the, right here, zoom in, to the Paul Walker. Yeah, Paul Walker meet, and representing the boy.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit
The question is, how done is that fool though?
Yeah, like, how
This is what happens when you bring a no-see nigga outside of OC.
Hey, but tell me when you're old, dog. How do you know when you're getting old?
Yeah.
The blanket.
Oh, the blanket and the chanclas too?
You gotta watch out, Dre, that nigga
Sound like a
too
little,
Okay, okay.
the truck.
Okay.
We got right here La Panda right here with the custom headlights.
Okay, okay.
And we got La Candy popped out too.
Angel over there in the back.
Got the big teddy bear.
Angel. Little intro.
Get into the box.
It's pretty
This
hot.
shit hot as fuck.
We
Shit overheating.
came all the way down from, what is it? Where do you live? Orange County? Orange County?
I came from Orange County, he came from LA. We, you know what I'm saying? We international and shit, you know, type shit.
Hold up. And like Candy came from Long Beach. You already know, representing.
That is LA County, but this dumbass doesn't understand.
Let's do like a little walk on.
Hello, walk, okay.
We got some bands over here.
Zoom in over here like to La Barney.
Look at La Candy right now though. This shit candy right now.
It's candy
This shit
right
look at
now.
candy.
Hey, let's get some likes to my boy Barney.
You know what I'm saying? My boy Dre had his fucking headlights on, so I had to pop out with my custom headlights too. You know what I'm saying? I had to turn my shit off.
Okay, okay.
Even though my shits are basically stock. We got La Barney right here. Shout out the ad. We always shout out the ad. Every single video, this nigga's ad's gonna come out. Even if he's not here, the ad's gonna come out. Oh, okay. We got some nice over here. Explain it.
Alright, check it out. So, you know, this is not really like my type of car, but that shit ass to me.
I see you in there. I see. With a little Asian chick.
Look at this shit.
Nice little right-hand drive too. That shit go crazy.
Come on, let's do like a little walk around.
Let's do a little walk
Come
around.
on.
Like all the
Look
way.
at this badass build right here. 2007 Nissan Titan.
Hey, honestly, the V8 Titan though.
Yeah.
You got that 5.7 in it?
Ooh, cylinder.
Oh, show
Hey,
the
what
back.
kind of car is that?
There's a back. Is that the?
Let's
I go to the owner and ask him.
go. I'm about to ask this guy what is this, bro. Come on, do a little walk around. I know. I
Look,
like
show the rims. He's on bead locks on his bag.
Yeah, bag two.
This the demon shit. This the one I go like. Yes.
This one right here. This is the one I go. We got another one over there, right there. Look at that. That SVT I was talking to the owner. That's a 2000 with 50,000 miles.
Look.
Oh shit.
Oh
That's
shit!
some fucking titties.
Damn.
Why you holding my hand?
Oh,
You nigga
oh,
hold
oh.
my hand.
What the fuck? Look at this stock ass lightning.
Hey, this shit fully stock, 50,000 miles. He bought it for 24,000 in San Diego. It's pretty mint. I already checked the interior out, so everything's fucking clean.
That shit's ass. Alright, let's go more over there.
Alright, let's look.
Cut the video. Alright, going back to the vlog. Man, I hate these fucking Infinities that just pull up and think they the shit. Them shits are ass. Alright, come on. This nigga think he's doing something with a Honda Accord.
Okay.
I don't want to be that guy, but what the fuck is that?
Hey, why the nigga turtles full of bikes?
You should go be backpack. Hey Drew, go be backpack.
Those niggas got laptops. Look at that shit.
Oh fuck.
This is that shit that go.
Ah shit.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Bro, no! What is this?
Hey, it's hybrid too.
That nigga better close that shit. Hell no. Look at it. Hey, check the super out.
Oh, check this out. You ready?
Easy gap.
That's just
Okay.
oh shit. We're running into some TDM guys.
These are like the people that think they faster, like the little Hondas. Check it out.
that shit that go.
It's just it's slow because it has a little engine.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
This is a confibulator with a multi-fibulator and those are headers.
And
Oh look, my boy Quintana's here rolling out. Hey, fuck that gas lady. Hey, let me see a big. Let me see a big. Oh, you see that shit? 15s, race stars right there. With some like fucking used ass tires. But it's clean, it's clean. Let me see a big.
I was gonna hop in the back, but never mind.
Hop in the back, hop in the back.
Hey, we're gonna see a big right here.
Get that in action.
Hey, get that shit, get that shit. Ready, record this shit. Record that shit, record that shit. Get that shit, dude. Huh?
Ooh, he wants a closer view.
What's going? I hit a big right here, man. He's recording for 8 minutes. See it? Ah, pussy.
Typical fucking Quintana. He's just a cameraman. He doesn't even belong with us. Alright, cut it off.
Where the fuck we at? We've been driving
Right here in
around.
Johnson, LA. Show the view, show the view.
I don't see nothing but
We out here.
fucking.
Come this way, my boy. Come
Fuck
this
is
way.
this? Hey, so I just want to say, my bad. Did you guys talk a lot of shit?
What's up?
If you guys talk a lot of shit on cars, don't take it personal.
We
just-
talk a lot of shit.
Trámala.
Good job. Hey, step on that a little bit. I want to hear the quarter blower.
So, what's cracking? What are we
So we
doing?
got candy right there, mini candy. We were coming down, honestly, bro. LA County, better your streets, bro. We were coming down, and we took a little loss right now.
So you're telling me something happened to this truck or what?
Check it out. La candy got cracked right here. The bumper cracked. And putazón. That shit hit a fat ass fucking bump. And the trim's on the fucking drag pack, so that shit fucking snapped. But we got candy right here, we got mini candy right here. That's the wannabe Temu version.
I won't talk about it. So what happened?
I cracked my butt. Hey, we got Quintanas at film over here. Quintanas, can you explain what happened? Give us a little rundown on what happened to the truck right here.
Damn, bro. You guys is for sale. I don't like that
For
shit.
You see, that's what happens when we show up late to the fucking meets, bro.
We got some action right here behind the scenes right now. You guys will see it later on this nigga's Instagram on SBT Dre. We got some behind the scenes right here shooting with the view in the background. You know what I'm saying?
There it is. Taking a little photo shoot. Look at the guys over there.
So right here, I'm gonna show you guys a little montage of this truck here in downtown LA. We're here with the team. Cops pulled up. They tripping on us. We out here. They pulled up on us. They're tripping. We're gonna have to dip.
Is it a different one?
But where are we going now? ¿Dónde? Quería ir a un pinche garage.
Pues valió verga, huh?
Hey, we have to go.
I will follow you.
Yeah, let's follow you to your garage.